This is your old Uncle Billy here, just having some lunch at the house and want to solve that problem of having to wait in that dead-gum RV line at the dump station. That's just annoying. I'm here to tell you, you don't have to ever wait in that line ever again. We're gonna find out the Uncle Billy way. The first thing you gotta do is make sure that it is real dark. I mean dark. Cause you wanna be stealthy like the cobra. Like that. If you may need to drink some more of this here liquid courage. And just throw it. Like that. Don't even worry about picking it up. Let Barney Fife pick it up. You know the guy that rides around on that golf cart, always annoying. You got a leak faucet and all that. Yeah. Hey, go get me another beer. Oh yeah, man, that Junior, he's the smartest kid in the second grade, let me tell you. The second thing you do after you see it's got good and dark outside is you get the longest hose possible. I like this 30-footer, that's my favorite one. And then you just hook her up and then I just let it rip to you. I just let it drain right out there behind the camera. And there you go. Never wait in that annoying dump line ever again. And let me tell you, sometimes my neighbor come over in the morning and go, man, you smell right over here. And I say, no, I ain't smell nothing. No, I don't smell nothing. Get in my truck and head straight back to the house. That's the Uncle Billy way.